Augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) bridge the digital and real worlds. Both technologies find the greatest use in entertainment, sports, gaming, close interactive eye-to-eye communication, and aided shopping experiences. Imagine sitting at home and browsing through a London store where you can see and feel the merchandise you wish to buy. This technology is also used in education. Imagine being a live participant in a historical battle or a student of anatomy in medical school. You can really feel the sensation of being in the battle or interact with virtual anatomical models for a more immersive learning experience. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that superimposes sounds, images, and text on the real world that we can see. Images, information, content, and interactive elements are created by developers within applications that blend in with content in the real world. AR is used in creating an imaginary world for entertainment and gaming purposes, such as 3D movies and video games in a common practice. Training software and helping people learn to work in real-life environments by creating a simulation of reality. For example, flight simulators allow pilots to practice their skills in the condition of danger without actual risk. Examples of AR experiences include Snapchat lenses and the game Pokemon Go. Disney coloring book with AR has a character in the book to color, and the colored characters come to life on a 3D screen. The app uses the camera to detect the character that was colored and recreates the character in a 3D form on the screen. Google Glass, created in 2013, is an example of wearable AR interface. It helps the user remain focused on the work while receiving digital information. It displays information on the user's glass screen through a small projector. It responds to voice commands to activate an application at any given time. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is a technology that creates a complete virtual world that users can interact with. In this world, you can experience places as if you were actually there. While using virtual reality, the user typically wears VR devices such as HTC Vive or Google Cardboard. These devices have eye-covering headset and headphones to completely replace the real world with the virtual one. Using VR simulator devices, surgeons can develop their surgical skills through simulation on digital patients, and architects can create a walkthrough model of their projects. Examples of AR and VR applications. Google Earth VR app lets you travel to any place on planet Earth and the Moon. IKEA app allows you to envision furniture in your own home by overlaying a 3D representation in your room. 𝐀𝐿 makeup app lets you virtually try on real-life cosmetics on a selfie. Matterport is a 3D media platform that allows easy creation of 3D models and interactive 3D walkthroughs of any real-world place.